In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use your old phone as a webcam for streaming. First is we need to download IP Webcam and Op Studio for our Windows. First is the IP Webcam. After downloading it, you just need to tap on the Start Server, and then after tapping it, you will be introduced into this part, which is your camera and your IP address. You have to copy your IP address and you need to head to your Windows and then go to the browser and then just simply paste the IP address. You will see this screen. After doing that, you need to head to your Studio and then tap on the L button and then head to the browser. In the browser part, we need to fill in the URL input box of the IP address /video. For example, is 101.01.01/video and then tap on the OK button. Now, after doing that, you will now notice that on the upper left side of the screen, you will see your camera. And this is my camera as the free view. And that's it. That's how you can use your phone as a streaming webcam for your streams. Thank you for listening.